Зголемената инфлација е глобален предизвик. Властите во повеќето од економиите се справуваат со неа. Кои се вашите очекувања за времетрењето и ефектите од овој глобален предизвик?
Rising inflation is a global challenge. The authorities in most of the economies are coping with it. What are your expectations about the duration and impact of this challenge?
This has been a very difficult challenge for the global economy in the last year or two. We've seen inflation rising really across almost all economies. But I'm quite confident that the inflation rate has peaked now. It is on a downward trend globally. And I think that reflects concerted and timely action by central banks around the world and also by governments. So I'm confident that inflation will continue to fall in the coming months.
Како одговор на расширената инфлација, сега ја гледаме најсинхронизираната епизода на монетарно затегнување во историјата. Нашата Централна банка не е исклучок. Каква е вашата оценка за монетарната политика на Народната банка на Македонија како одговор на инфлацијскиот предизвик?
I think the National Bank of the Republic of North Macedonia has responded appropriately to the inflation challenges. We should remember that North Macedonia is a small, open economy and is therefore vulnerable to inflationary shocks that hit the global economy. But the National Bank has responded, I think, prudently by its measured approach to raising the policy rate, which we know is probably the best way to get inflation down. And we're starting to see the success of that now. Inflation is back in single-digit levels, and I'm quite confident will continue to fall in the coming months.
Стабилноста на финансискиот сектор е клучна за економскиот развој. Какво е вашето мислење за финансиската стабилност на македонската економија?
I'm pleased to say that the financial stability of this economy is strong, and I think has indeed been strengthened in the past years. We see banks are well capitalized, they are profitable. The level of non-performing loans is at quite low levels, so we don't really have any concerns about the stability of the financial system in this country.
Каква поддршка може да очекуваме во иднина од Европската банка за обнова и развој?
Well, you can expect the EBRD to continue to be a very strong partner of North Macedonia in the coming years. We have been actively investing in this country for about 3 decades. We had a very significant increase in our investments in 2022, and we're continuing to engage in a range of projects across many sectors of the economy, along with policy advice and having an excellent cooperation with the authorities in North Macedonia.
Што ќе биде клучно за мощното одржување на макроекономската стабилност и поддршка на инвеститорите?
I think the key to really strengthening sustainability will be advancing on reforms and reforms that will move this country closer to its ultimate goal of joining the European Union.